Alright, so I need to do some cleanup. I am preparing my website. Here it is. It's SiteCat. It's my sample website, which I use to, it's basically a sample Drupal installation, which I use to create other websites. So I kind of put the code and the settings that I need into an installation, and then I use it, which saves lots of time. So I need to theme this gallery that I'm building, of course for reuse. So I need to theme this, but besides I need to add some libraries so that I can click and it would open in a pop-up. And I have already looked at some of the libraries, at the libraries API module, and I don't quite like how it works with Drupal 8. It was very easy with Drupal 7, but not anymore. So the way that libraries are added, I decided I would probably write my own module and put the libraries that I will need inside that and declare there. So I'll generate a module, Drupal generate, not a controller, a module. No, I installed it. Do I need to do that all the time? Come on. Yeah, it works from outside. Okay. Libraries. That's not a machine name. Libraries. Maybe libs is better, it's kind of shorter. Libs, libraries. Libraries, alright. Machine name, libraries, yeah. Why A is because I'm a Lexi, but also because it's easier to find things at the top of the lists. And the module path, modules custom, right? Description. Custom libraries. Assets. Because these are not PHP libraries. PHP libraries we install with Composer now. So that's just assets libraries, JavaScript and CSS. Package. Would it be other? Just a second. Just a second. Which package will it be? I'm looking at the features. Looking at the features. They don't have a package name. They don't have a package name. Type, version, description. Okay. Let it be custom. Version, yeah. You want a module, yeah. A feature, no. No feature. Composer JSON, go for it. Would you like to add a module dependencies? No. Unit test class, go ahead. Do you want to generate a themable template? No. Confirm, yes. Okay. Isn't that great? I absolutely love Drupal console. It's wonderful. Saves so much time. Now, where's my module? A blog, a gallery, a libraries. Here it is. Now what we're gonna do? Package custom. Bye package custom. Now I'm going to find libraries. I'll create a folder called libraries. And what I'm gonna do, web module custom libraries. I will move my libraries, in it. I put them in the libraries folder because I wanted to use the libraries API, but I guess I'm not quite a fan of how it works in Drupal 8. So just move them and create my own libraries module. Basically, why I don't like it, it appears that the new libraries API module basically does the same as if I created a module and declared it there. So maybe if I'm wrong, I'll understand that later, but then I will repent and move them back, but not yet. Not yet. Alright, then I'll just copy the libraries from my themes, recreate the libraries files from my themes, web themes, custom b sub 8. Here it has libraries, bx slider, okay, bye libraries. Yeah. So I'll create new file, a libraries UML. Good. What's that? Oh, all right. It's a comma. Don't need a comma here. So what can I move around? What can I move around? Bootstrap library should stay. bx slider. I will move that. And it was declared, so I'd have to kind of undeclare it whenever I use that. Flex slider? What? Ah, I never used flex slider. A shameful thing to leave it there. All libraries. Okay. So let's do that. bx slider libraries, bx slider jQuery, bx slider CSS. I'll have min CSS. Right. bx slider minify JS. So that's one. And we're gonna add the rest of them like that in the same way. Oh, Kate, you indent things wonderfully. bx slider cloud zoom. Ooh, that's complex. Libraries, cloud zoom. And cloud zoom and cloud zoom. Cloud dash zoom CSS. And there it would be. This is beautiful, a beautiful name with dots and zeros and stuff like that. I always wanted a name like that. Alright, so that's cloud zoom. Now that we've had cloud zoom, next would be Fluidbox. CSS, JS, nice. Fluidbox, libraries, Fluidbox, CSS, Fluidbox, min CSS, JS. jQuery Fluidbox min JS, nice. jQuery. When those guys are naming those libraries, they're just thinking what would be the most ingenious way to confuse people, and they put zeros and comma and not commas and numbers and many dots in them, and change name conventions all the time. jQuery Fluidbox min.js. So yeah, I am absolutely confused. Fluidbox shuffle. Now, what those libraries are, if you wonder. I'm just rambling here, so could as well say what those are. Shuffle. I'll say now. Shuffle. When I stop typing, because when I'm typing, I can't say a lot, because I'll make errors. Shuffle min.js. No CSS. A good one. Shuffle. Okay. Shuffle min.js. Right? Min.js. Okay. Seems fair enough. So what are those libraries? In Drupal 8, in order to reuse a library, I have to define that library in a UML file. A UML file is basically a file that allows to store settings. So this file here will be translated into an array of data. BX slider, cloud zoom, Fluidbox, and shuffle will be the keys in that array. And then in subarrays, CSS and JS, and so on and so on. So this is basically an array hierarchy. So this YML is a way to store array hierarchy in a file, in a text file. So these 4 libraries that we are defining, they have CSS and JS files. And BX slider speaks for itself. It's a slider. Cloud zoom is a nitty thing, kind of light box. When you click on an image, it kind of grows out. Not just appears on the screen, but from that very image, it grows and takes the whole screen. So this is a very unique and nice kind of light box. Then Fluidbox is an oh no, I'm sorry. Fluidbox is the thing that does that, and cloud zoom is used for looking. It's like zoom image, looking glass, used in the shops and stuff. When you hover your mouse and it shows a magnified portion of an image. So that's cloud zoom. And Fluidbox is the one that pops out the image. And shuffle is a masonry kind of thing, plugin that allows you to actually sort through things with by the keywords. So they're all kind of needy and they look like they'll be used a lot. So I will move them and attach them in here now. So now that we have those libraries in here, do I need to define them in my info file? No, I won't define them in my info file because they'll be called. Let's enable the module and check if it works. Let's go to extend. Nah, I already have extend. So I'll go back here. Libraries, libraries. Okay, good. Installing, so hopefully it's parsing that file now. And I'm gonna check it now. I will go and I will remove my libraries in the B sub, in the theme. Custom themes, custom B sub, info file, libraries. Okay, so BX slider goes away. No more. All right. Anything else remains from it? Global styling. That's it, probably. Yeah, no more references. Okay. And in the JS file? Okay, in the JS file, I'm still calling the BX slider. But I will need a BX slider field items in order to make it work. So I would have to edit my templates and have them correspond to this, and then I will know whether they will work or not. But I can actually see when I call it if it will create the BX slider. Yeah, so I'll need to call that in a theme preprocess, in a, would it be a page preprocess or node build array or something? We'll see about that. Theme preprocess node. So I'm now in my preprocess node hook, and I think that what I will do is I will, or do I actually want it to load on every page? Why not? Sounds like a good idea. Well, let's just do it. We don't want a BX slider there. We want a pop-up there first. All right. Okay. So let's see what we have when we load that page. Variables type. Node view mode URL. Where is my type? Gallery type. You're kidding me. Attributes. Okay, at least I have a node there. There should be a type. It's just crazy. Theme hook original. Alright, we'll get it. Node. Alright. Copy path. Type is variables node get type. Right? Let's check it out if we can get a type like that. I'm pretty sure I used to do it like that. And I don't remember now. No, twice, really. So type. No type. What have you done? Where is my type? Beautiful. I declare type. Where is it? Oh, that's what I love about it. I mean, hate about it. Type. Why aren't you showing? Why aren't you showing? Should be showing. I'm missing something. Or the setup is not right. Type. Instead of trying to add it, I'm fighting to see the type declared. Oh, now the type is back. I know why that happened. Because I have not cleaned the cache, but well, I'm in the debugging mode, so you can see. Oh, okay, allowed. So type worked. You see, it's gallery. But what happened, it's not a magic, it's just that, see, I'm in the debug mode now. So I kind of thought that I don't need to clean the cache all the time. Though for this thing I should have done that. It just didn't catch it, because in the code it, like, yeah, in the compile thing probably didn't have it, so didn't take it right away. So now, yeah, we can do it like that. If variables type is gallery, and now we're gonna attach. I use a equals 1 to debug. When I finish a project, I search for a equals 1. So I delete it later. Okay, variables. Cache attributes. There was a way how to attach libraries to Node. I actually remember it. There was one. There was a way, some like array called libraries. I don't remember where it was. It's kind of, okay, what was that? How do I attach library to Node? Drupal 8 attach library to Node. Oh, no search results. It's like I'm the dumbest of all. To Drupal theme, to build array. It's not a build array, is it? Attach library in hook preprocess. In hook preprocess. Yeah. Well, it's kind of outdated. Tweak templates. No, don't want to edit tweak template. Well, maybe we can. Maybe in fact we won't. Preprocess Drupal add library. Ah, that's 7. Attached. Drupal render attached. Oh, really? Oh, alright, this one is good. Variables attached. What? How? Why didn't I think about that? I should have thought about that. Variables attached. Is variables actually a render? Yeah, probably. It is a render array, isn't it? Cache. Attributes. Yeah, it's looks like a render array. Yeah, so I think I should do that. And the moment of truth will come. Variables attached. It doesn't exist, this array, does it? So I'm adding a new one. How was it, that syntax? Attached library. And our library will be info libraries. Not really. Be sub custom modules. Custom a libraries UML. Okay, well, I'm adding Fluidbox. I am adding Fluidbox. Hey! A libraries Fluidbox. Now, A libraries Fluidbox. Sounds fair enough. All right. Let's check it out. Fluidbox CSS, Fluidbox min.js. Okay, love Drupal 8. Now that we have the library, we also only need to go and make it in the theme, make it work. Though one thing that I don't want to do is I don't want to hard code it just with that node. So what I would probably have to do is, well, I'll make it pop out now, but I would want to make some generic classes to attach that library to. Yeah, how do I do that? Fluidbox. 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 Here it is. Where is your code? Path goes. Oh, okay. A with image inside gets translated to that. So that's what I have. I have A with image inside, don't I? Let's see. Yeah, I have image A. A lot of crap in between, but yeah, I love that crap when I develop, so that's what we have. That's what we have. How does it work? Oh, wonderful. So, check where we have debounce. We need a debounce. We forgot debounce. Need to get it. Need to get a debounce. No. No debounce. Here is debounce. Save as. I will save as desktop. Debounce. Debounce is a debounce. Why do we want to have anything besides that? Folder debounce. Desktop. Mapper debounce. Let's define a library. Debounce. Actually, it may look like it's a lot harder, but if you look at it now, it's quite orderly and nice. You declare things, you use things. You declare things, you use things. And you declare them not in some weird God cursed info file, but in a industry standard UML file. So it's not harder, it's actually quite nice and descriptive and orderly. Debounce. And it's debounce.js. Is it? Debounce min.js. Now I will clear cache. Drush cr. Oh. Again, drush cr. Yeah. Now we have the debounce. I think I won't check. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. But we should have a debounce there now. So how we do that? Basic usage, selector Fluidbox. Wonderful. It's easy. It's easy. Let's do it. Make a Drupal behavior Fluidbox. Drupal behaviors Fluidbox. Variable. Do I need a variable? Do I need a variable? Just to declare it? No, I don't. Don't need a variable. Fluidbox. And it's all small, right? Yeah. And the selector will be, what will be the selector? Okay, I saw something right, just a second. Responded, X forbidden. What? I'll have to look into that. Let me just do the selector now, and I'll be back for you. Okay, so it will be a selector that I can use will be field name, field gallery images. Field gallery, yeah, this one. I may change that later. This is just for testing purposes. A, like that probably. Why not? A field item A. Alright, good enough. Okay, show me. Didn't. Oh really, now we have 9 errors. So why do we have 9 errors? Slideshow back slider is not a function. Back slider, how could you? How could you do this to me? Okay, should be fewer errors now. Only 6. Fluidbox is not a function. Isn't? Oh, alright. I mean, why is it not a function? Why is it not a function? I mean, I added a Fluidbox, didn't I? jQuery, do they want to do it like that? Do they? No, didn't help. Okay. Fluidbox is not defined. Why did you do this to me? Why did you do this to me? Fluidbox. Fluidbox should be defined because we have it here. Fluidbox. Probably it's undefined because it's erroring out before it's called. Okay. Oh, really? I cannot get it. CSS Fluidbox cannot get it. JS jQuery Fluidbox. Why can you not get it? I should have seen that before. I kind of missed it. Libraries, Fluidbox, JS, CSS. Oh, really? Is that the reason? Fluidbox, CSS. Fluidbox CSS. Fluidbox means CSS. Fluidbox means CSS. jQuery Fluidbox means JS. Just in case. Just in case. Though I know it's not the reason already. Fluidbox. Sometimes there can be this little thing that that I have missed somewhere there. Something really, really stupid. It actually cannot read the files. Fluidbox means CSS. Rename. Okay, yes, Fluidbox. Why can it not load it? Why can it not load it? What are you doing to me, computer? Look, it's loaded. And what did I do? I didn't do anything. All right, I got you this time. Evil demon is in my computer, and that's what it did. But now that I have paid enough attention, it was forced to move away. This is what I do in the evenings when I'm tired. Right. Right, no more errors. Ooh, it works now. Nice. This is awesome. This is awesome. The guy who built it is awesome. What's his name? Fluidbox. Fluidbox Terriman. He had a page somewhere, I think I saw it. Terriman by himself. Yeah. So this guy, he doesn't have that effect on his, does he? So yeah, Institute of Molecular Biology or Genetic, whatever, Denmark. So yeah, this guy is officially awesome. Yeah. I think I'm gonna go run. We'll finish it later. Have a good time.